Have no fear, the Dougster's here. Welcome to another episode of Dougster's Wolverine Garage. Today we're in the house. It's cold December day. And you know old Dougster and Sun products? Well, check this out. Pick this up over the summer. It is a Sun Consumer Products tune-up test equipment. Blow molded case, great condition. And it's complete. My friend Brian owned this. Bought it new in 1980. And the manual is actually like in a binder built into the book, so the manual stays there. Everything's good and happy. Warranty card is still there, but it's complete. He always kept it together. Good for him. And let's see it here. Sun brand Lone Wolf 6000. A beautiful compression tester. The vacuum gauge is awesome. Awesome. Look how big it is, guys. It needs a magnet mount or a hanger or something. But yeah, how cool is that? And then Sun timing light, metal. Still just from the cold garage, so everything, that's the cold. Thing's freezing. Sun gun. Yeah, it looks like something you'd see in Star Wars, doesn't it? Sun inductive timing light. 7501. And then a 12 meter. Oh yeah. What a nice setup. So definitely going to be using this for one, and for two, it's going to be a great addition of Sun stuff for my little collection. So yeah, that's my tune-up kit. Check out more content on Dougster's Wolverine Garage. See ya.